Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to another video from ElectroPixels. Today, we have a 43-inch VU LED TV on our workbench with a blinking red standby light complaint. In most VU LED TVs, a continuously blinking red indicator is a clear sign that the television has entered backlight protection mode, which usually points to a failure in the LED backlight system. To confirm the fault, we disassembled the TV and carefully removed the display panel and frame. After inspection, we found that the LED backlight strips were defective, preventing the TV from starting up normally. This model uses 3 LED backlight strips, and rather than replacing only the failed strip, we installed a complete new set to ensure uniform brightness, improved reliability, and longer service life. Once the new LED strips were installed, we carefully reassembled the panel, secured the frame, and completed the final assembly. Now it's time for the moment of truth. We powered on the TV, and as you can see, the display is back with normal brightness and the television is working perfectly once again. This repair demonstrates one of the most common causes of a blinking red standby light in LED TVs. When the backlight LEDs fail, the protection circuit prevents the TV from starting to avoid further damage. Replacing the faulty LED strips successfully restores normal operation. We hope this video helped you understand the diagnosis and repair process for this common LED TV fault. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to ElectroPixels, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming TV repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. ****.